Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, dear students. This is Teacher Adam and this is another new lesson. So this lesson is the 38th lesson. Yeah, that's right. This is the 39th lesson. This is the 39th lesson, and we're still, doing where or where is, where we use where are you. So our previous lesson was where are you. This lesson is where is, and then we mention a name. So if you want to know about the whereabout of Muhammad, for example, we say where is Muhammad. And ardayda sharafta badan waxaan leeyahay kusoo dhawaada waa cashar kale oo cusub. Casharkan waa casharka 39aad, casharkan wuxuu leeyahay casharkii ka horeeyay. Casharka ka horeeyay wuxuu ahaa where are you, ama where are they, ama where are we, ama where is he or where is she, iyo wixii lamid ah. casharkan waxaa weeye waxaad doonaysaa qof baad doonaysaa inaad ogaato meesha uu ku sugan yahay adigoo magaciisana sheegaya. You say where is Bob, or where is Muhammad, or where is Aisha, or where is Hafsa, or where is Abdurrahman, something like that. Where is Bob? So Bob is a name, is a name of a boy or a man. Where is Bob? Where is Bob? Where is Bob? Where marka waa contraction waxa laga soo gaabiyay where is marka soo gaabiyay waxa laga is. Where is Bob? Where is Bob? Where is Bob? Bob may ama Bob aaway. And you see, this is Bob. He's in the living room. He is in the tan waxa laga soo gaabiyay he is waa contraction where he is. He's in the living room, or you can say he is in the living room. He's in the living room, ama he is in the living room. So living room waa fadhiga wuxuu ku jiraa ama wuxuu ku sugan yahay qolka maxaan ku dhahdaa fadhiga. Where is Mary? So Mary is a girl's name, a woman's name. Where is Mary? Where is Mary? Where is Mary? Mary meeday, ama Mary aaway. Where is Mary? Where is Mary? She's in the bedroom. You see, she is in the bedroom. She's sitting on the bed, and then she has a child on her lap. Marka ilmeer bay dhabta ku haysaa. She's in the bedroom. She is in the bedroom. Waxay ku sugan tahay qolka jiifka ama qolka hurdada. She's in the bedroom. She's in the bedroom. Where is Mary? Where is Mary? She's in the bedroom. You can say where is, and for example we can say where is Zainab? She is in the bedroom, something like that. Where is the car? And markii hore magacyada bani aadan magacyada ayaan ka soo hadlaynay. Hadda su'aasha waxa weeye shay. Xoranta where is the car? Where is the bed? Where is the phone? Where is the book? Shay wa sheegaysaa. Where is the car? Where is the car? Where is the car? Gaadhigii meeyay ama gaadhigii aaway. Where is the car? Where is the car? It's waxa laga soo gaabiyay it is. Marka shay aan naf lahayn marka laga hadlayo ama aan aqli lahayn xayawaanka ama ashyaada marka laga hadlayo waxa la isticmaalayaa it. Marka hal shay uu yahay it baa la isticmaalaya, markay badan yihiin they baa la isticmaalaya. And where is the car? It's in the garage. It's in the garage. So you see, this place is garage. Garage on soo sheegnay waa meesha gaariga qofka gaarigalka weeye, qofka meesha gaariga uu gashado gurigiisa kamid ah. Ama garage waxa kale yiraahdaa meesha gaarida lagu cilad bixiyo lagu hagaajiyo. Where is the car? It's in the garage. Where is Bob? He's in the living room. Where is Mary? She's in the bedroom. Where is the car? It's in the garage. Gaariga wuxuu ku sugan yahay gaarigalka. And now this is our exercises that are meant, for the students, to work out or do. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to leave you do the rest. So, where is Tim? So this boy is called Tim. Where is Tim? Where is Tim? Because he's a boy, we use he. Where is Tim? He's in the bedroom. I think this is a bedroom. The boy is lying on the bed and he's playing with a toy car. So this is a toy car. Where is Tim? He's in the bedroom. He's in the bedroom. Where is Rosa? Where is Rosa? Rosa meeday. Waa gabadha Rosa meeday. She's in the yard. So you see, this is the yard. Rosa meeday waxay ku sugan tahay daarada. Where is the newspaper? Where is the newspaper? Journalka ama jaraa'idka and mee ama jaraa'idka mee ama jaraa'idka aaway. it baa la isticmaalaya waayo waa shay. It's on the bookshelf. So you see this, dear student, this is a bookshelf. Inside it is in a books. Waa qaanada buugagta. Where is the newspaper? It's on the bookshelf. It's on wuu dul saaran yahay. It's on the bookshelf. Wuu dul saaran yahay qaanada and buugagta. And so dear students, now all you do is pause the video now. So this is question 4. Pause the video. Videoga jooji dadana isku day inaad ka jawaabi karto. Meel ku qor. And meel ku qor. What is Peggy? And su'aalaha waxaan doonaya jawaabada inaad kusoo qortaan commentka youtube-ka commentka inaad kusoo qortaan su'aalaha. Waan eegayaa waqti baan u sameynaya, waan eegaya insha Allah. Waan soo comment garan doonaa haddii la yidhaahdo. Where is Peggy? Gabadhan waxaa la yidhaha Peggy. Where is Peggy? Peggy meeday. Where is Peggy? Hadda jooji videoga jooji dadana jawaabta qor. And let's answer it now together. Where is Peggy? She baa la isticmaalaya. She is in the, so this is the living room because she's watching the TV. This is the living room, this is the sofa. She is in the living room. She is in the living room. She is in the living room. Where is Peggy? She's in the living room. Peggy meeday waxay ku jirtaa qolka fadhiga. Where is the telephone book? So the telephone, where is the telephone book? So there's a telephone book. Where is the telephone book? And buuga telefonka, telefono badan baa ku qoran shirkada iyo wax kala duwan. Telephone buuga waxaan ku dhahday may. Now pause the video. Video jooji dadana isku day inaad ka jawaabto. Now let's answer it together. Where is the telephone book? It's on the bed. So you see this is a bed. It's on the bed. It's on the bed. Wuxuu dul saaran yahay sariirta. It's on the bed. Where is Harry? Harry nin weeye. Where is Harry? Harry maye. Ama Harry aaway. Videoga jooji dadana isku day inaad ka jawaabto. Now let's answer it together. Let's do the question together. Where is Harry? He is in the bathroom. You see this is the bathroom. He's in the bathroom. He is in the bathroom. Where is Harry? He is in the bathroom. Where is Ellen? So this is Ellen. Waa gabadh weeye. Where is Ellen? Ellen meeday. Marka videoga jooji isku day inaad ka jawaabto. Pause the video and try to answer it by yourself. And I hope everyone answered it. Let's answer it together now. Where is Ellen? Ellen meeday. So Ellen maadaama ay gabadh tahay waxaan isticmaalnaa she. She is in the, so you see she's eating food. You see she's eating food. So where do we eat our food? We eat our food in the dining room. Where is Ellen? She is in the dining room. Waxay ku sugan tahay qolka cuntada. Where is Ellen? She's in the dining room. Where is Ellen? She is in the dining room. Where is Kevin? Kevin maye. Ama Kevin aaway. Where is Kevin? Kevin marka waa wiil weeye ama inan weeye marka we're going to use he. Where is Kevin? He is. And now pause the video. Videoga jooji dadana isku day inaad ka jawaabto. And let's answer it together, dear students. Where is Kevin? He is in the garage. So gaarigalka waxaa la yidhaha garage. Where is Kevin? He is in the garage. Where is Kevin? He is in the garage. Where is Kevin? He's in the garage. Kevin maye wuxuu ku sugan yahay garageka ama gaarigalka. Where is the cell phone? Mobilka ama telefoonka maye. And pause the video. Videoga jooji dadana isku day inaad ka jawaabto. And now dear students, let's answer it together. Let's do it together. Where is the cell phone? Cell phone maadaama uu shay yahay waxaa la isticmaalaya it. Where is the cell phone? It is on the, you see what's this class? I think it's a bookshelf. Or what do you think it could be? A table maybe? I think this is, no, it's not a table. I think it's a bookshelf. It's a shelf. You see, there's a shelf there. What is the cell phone? It's on the bookshelf. It's on the bookshelf. It's on the bookshelf. What is the cell phone? It's on the bookshelf. Let's now do all of it together. Where is Tim? He's on the bed. Or he's in the bedroom. Where is Rosa? She's in the yard. Where is the newspaper? It's on the bookshelf. Where is Peggy? She's in the living room. Where is the telephone book? It's on the bed. Where is Harry? He is in the bathroom. Where is Ellen? She's in the dining room. She's in the dining room. Where is Kevin? He is in the garage. Where is the cell phone? It's on the bookshelf. And dear students, I'm very grateful when I say thank you for listening and watching the video. Please share it with other students who might be interested in learning English. And with that, I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh till we meet next time. Bye bye.